everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys what is going on in the Walgreens ad for August 19th through August 25th. Now, I think it's going to be a very slow week. There might be some great deals hiding on us, like usually sometimes you find some stuff, but we aren't getting the greatest coupons. I'm still debating if I'm going to get those coupons. But I'm here to share with you guys what we have. Now, usually when Walgreens is going to be slow, they have the 10 times or 5. They used to do 5 times. Now it's 10 times everyday points. I'm going to say it's not the greatest deal this week. I mean, if you guys need to take a break, go for it. I mean, usually a lot of these sales do repeat themselves. So sometimes if you guys want something, just wait a couple weeks and it'll go on sale again unless you guys absolutely need it. But I think right now they're kind of being slow right now because of school starting soon. Or most of you guys, some of you guys already started school, but most people start school after Labor Day. And so they're just, you know, focusing on people going on last minute vacations and spending time with their family rather than shopping. But I'm here to share with you guys what is going on sale on the Walgreens website. Now you guys can just go to the website yourself. It usually pops up on Wednesdays where you guys can see the app or the website itself. So here it is. So they got Crayola brand markers and colored pencils. I don't know what other items are going on sale, but those are 99 cents, which is actually a pretty good deal if you guys need markers and colored pencils. I'm probably going to get a couple of those since I got a couple registry awards that I want to use up. Now they also have, I'm sorry, I have the hiccups all of a sudden. They also have the Mead 5-star notebooks, buy one, get one free. Now we do have those like $1 off of 2 coupons that you guys may or may not want to use. I'm somehow waiting until after those things start going on clearance. Arm & Hammer or buy one, get one free. Now I don't know what the regular price is on them, but we do have those $1 off coupons. Now you guys can only use one coupon, because you guys cannot use a $1 coupon off the free items. So I'm giving you guys a heads up on that. They have Colgate toothbrushes and toothpaste for $1. I would not pay $1 for the toothpaste, but I think for the toothbrushes, that's a good deal if you guys really need a toothbrush. They got Dove Bath Care, the body wash and body polish. If it's $5.99 on sale, and then there's going to be a $3 or 3,000 points when you guys spend $12 or more. Now they make it $5.99, which makes it that you guys need to buy 3 of them. Like they purposely do that so you guys can buy 3 of them to get those points. So kind of lame on that. Not much going on with the whole food area. It's kind of slow. Yeah, but we are going to start seeing Halloween candy going on sale. One of my stores that I go to, they're already putting Halloween stuff up for like candy-wise. So there'll be some good deals coming up with that. But otherwise, not much going on in the whole food section. They do got the plates and the baggies for 99 cents. That's an in-ad coupon. You guys can just grab the ad and have the cashier scan it. You don't even have to cut them out. Here they got some Persil. Now it's going to be on sale for $4.99. We are getting $2 off coupons, making it just $2.99. Most likely there's going to be a deal on Savings Star for it, so giving you guys a heads up on that. They also have extra laundry detergent for $1. Oh, I'm sorry you guys, for $1.49. I can't ever make a video without yawning. Here they got erasers and other stuff for 49 cents. Now right now you guys can get the erasers for 5 for $1. So it depends on how much you guys need that. Pens. Bic pens. They got the pens and the Crystal Up is what I think they're called. Crystal. Those are 99 cents. Now we do have those $1 off of 2 coupons. So I'm probably using a lot of those coupons there because I don't want those coupons to go to waste. So, giving you guys a heads up with that. Okay. The next deal they got is the shampoo and conditioner is buy one, get one 50% off. Now, a lot of those coupons did expire this Saturday. That's going to happen, so we can't use those coupons. But if you guys have those 4 off of 2 whole blends and Garnier Fructis, definitely use them before Saturday so you guys can get some pretty good deals. They got Nivea 5,000 points if you guys spend 12. Vaseline is buy one, get one 50% off. you guys get a $2 off coupon. You guys will get 3,000 points when you guys spend $12, it looks like. St. Ives is buy one, get one 50% off, and then you get 3,000 points when you buy $12 worth. Not much going on with the makeup. 25% off makeup, and then there's going to be a $2 off online coupon. L'Oreal, buy one, get one 50% off. You get a $10 register reward if you spend over $30. The register rewards for CoverGirl is buy one, get one 50% off, and then there's a 3 off of 15. So right now I would go for the 8 off of 15. Just giving you guys a heads up on that. They have the Dial body wash, buy one, get one free. Now we do have a $1 off a 2 coupon that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I had one at my desk and now it's missing. So you guys could use that. Now that coupon does end on that Sunday, so depends on what you guys want to do with that. Going over to the personal or the baby stuff and the other stuff, sorry, we got the Johnsons buy one get one 50% off. We are getting $2 off coupons. You guys will get 5,000 bonus points when you guys spend $20 or more, so there may or may not be some decent deals with that. The toothpaste deal looks like it's going on sale again. You get $2.99, and there's a $4 off register reward if you guys buy 3 of them, so that's actually a better deal, but I don't know how many of you guys have those $2 off coupons left. I don't have any because I rather get them free at Kroger, Pick and Save. Here they got Carefree and Sports Playtex. Buy one, get one 50% off. You guys will get a $2,000 points when you guys buy 2. And we just had some Playtex Sports coupons that just popped up on coupons.com. So make sure you guys print those off. They got some Dove deodorant. Buy one, get one 50% off, and then when you guys spend $12, you get 3,000 points. So there's not a lot of great deals this week. Here's like the medicines and all that fun stuff. Yeah. They got a printer for $19.99. So if you guys have a lot of register rewards and you guys need a printer, go for it. The ink is usually sometimes kind of expensive for those kind of things, but wanted to share with you guys with that. And then now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. They got Maybelline. You get a $5 register reward when you guys buy 2 of the participating. Sorry, my camera fell. You guys would get a $5 register reward when you guys use 2 of the participating products. I'm not sure if eyeshadow would be included. Scott's paper towel and toilet paper, those are $4. They're technically on sale for $5. You guys want to use that $1 off Walgreens booklet. Plus, we have those $1 or 50% off coupons. And there is a $1 off deal for Ibotta if you guys do that deal also. 69-cent candy bars. Those are great for fillers. Now, I do think we have some coupons for Twix that I saw. And then there's also some Snicker coupons. So you guys might want to check that out. But otherwise, it's going to be a very slow week at Walgreens. So if you guys need to take a break, go for it. Otherwise, you just kind of get what you guys need to get. I'm still going to try to show some deals for you. May or may not have a second haul for you guys, but I'm still going to try to show some deals for you guys. If you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so I can share with you guys more deals. And I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.